The insurance section. Use this area to review the insurance policies you'll need to consider and to store relevant documents for easy access by leaseholders. You can also link directly to a broker to ask for a quote. The great thing about this section is that we've put together for you a checklist of the types of insurances you'll need to consider and prompts about each one. From here you can link directly to a broker so that you can find the best deal for your needs and saving you the time of phoning around. Or we can hyperlink the insurance quote form to your own brokers. The File Storage and Notes tabs allow you to quickly record and send information that other users can then easily access when they need to. And you can also set task reminders so the system will prompt you automatically about important renewals or payments. And I'll show you how to do all that in a moment. Other parts of the resident system that use the data from this section are the Files archive, the calendar, the account section, and the block dashboard. Now let's run through the navigation. You can jump to any other section of Resident via the shortcuts on the black panel to the left of your screen here. Clicking on the block dashboard link here will take you back to your list of blocks. The system times you out after 20 minutes, so if this happens, you'll have to select your block again to get back in and view your block dashboard. If you find it easier, you can also use the drop-down menu across the top of your screen to select a block, view messages or send a new one, create a new block or log out, or contact resident user support. If you have more than one block, the name of the block that you're currently in is shown here on the top toolbar. Clicking on this also takes you to the block dashboard for that block. Clicking the back arrow on your web browser will take you back to the previous screen that you were in. Now let's go through insurance step by step. This panel lists all the different types of insurance policies you might need to set up. Clicking on any of them, or the Details tab next to each listing, takes you through to this screen where you can log details of the policy. We've added explanations too about the different types and why they're important to help you stay compliant. And adding the date here links it to the calendar so a reminder can be set for renewal and the next due date. Add in the value and then save changes down the bottom when you're done. You can upload files from your computer so that you can share copies of policy schedules or statements with leaseholders or other users. Just click on Choose File, select it from your computer, add any notes that you might want to, then click Upload. And you'll see it listed in your files list here. You can sort by clicking on the different column headings, or you can search through already saved files by typing into this search box here, or scrolling through the list using these Previous and Next buttons. Click on the Notes tab to add notes or reminders, and if you tick the Create as a Task box here, enter the title and a due date and any notes you might need to. Click Add and the system will send you a reminder when it's due, and you'll see you've now got a number 1 next to the notes to show that you have some notes in this section. Click on it and you can review the notes down the bottom of the screen here. If you'd like to contact our recommended broker for a new quote, click on Obtain Quote here, enter your details and someone will be in touch with you shortly. You can find more resident how-to guides on our YouTube channel and in our resources section, and if you need more help, just hit the support button on the top right-hand corner of your screen.